Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So if you have a suspicion that somebody blocked you, I'll show you guys exactly how to check if they actually blocked you. This won't show you an actual list of everybody that's blocked you though, because Instagram wants to keep them safe and wants to make sure that nobody actually knows. But if you have a suspicion that a specific person has blocked you, I'll show you guys exactly how to check if they actually blocked you. So first things first though, you want to head over to the Instagram app. So just open the Instagram app and it will bring you to the homepage. Let me do that real quick. And once you head over to the Instagram app, you'll be brought to this page here, like I said before. From here, I'll actually go ahead and block my other account to show you guys exactly what it looks like. As you can see, I have this account, Tubasa Techie, and I'll just block it real quick. Once I block it, he'll just completely disappear. I can unblock him if I want to, but let me switch over to that account I just blocked to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So from here, if I try to search for the account, so you want to search for the account that you think has blocked you. If you search for the account, you can't find it at all, even though you search in the exact username, there's a good chance that they blocked you. As you can see, I searched in the exact username, but it is not showing up at all. There's no account under this name. However, if it's still in your recent searches, you can click on it. If you can find your way to the profile and it says user not found, then this means two things. Either they blocked you or they deleted their account. Normally, they wouldn't have their profile picture showing though if they deleted your account, so you can be pretty sure that they actually blocked you. You can double check by going on a fake account or going on a friend's account to check if they blocked you, but most likely they have blocked you if it says user not found. So there's not really much you can do. If you still want to check if they blocked you without using a friend's account, you can make a new account by using like a fake Gmail or email and creating a new Instagram account. But they most likely blocked you if it shows user not found when you go to their profile. So that is how you check if somebody has blocked you on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.